Imagine waking up to a richer self, thanks to AI working tirelessly through the night. With advancements in artificial intelligence, this dream can be a reality. There are various avenues beyond cryptocurrency where AI can generate significant passive income, ensuring your financial growth even as you sleep. Start with automated trading in traditional financial markets. Just like in cryptocurrency, AI trading bots can be deployed in stock, forex, and commodities markets. Tools like MetaTrader, Trade Ideas, and the *Trade offer sophisticated AI algorithms that analyze market trends, execute trades, and manage risks. These bots continuously scan for profitable opportunities, ensuring that your investments are optimized around the clock. Traders using AI bots in traditional markets have seen substantial returns, leveraging the bot's ability to process data faster and more accurately than humans. Real estate investing has also been revolutionized by AI. Platforms like Realtime and Roofstock use AI to identify lucrative real estate deals, analyze market trends, and predict property values. AI can automate property management tasks such as rent collection, maintenance requests, and tenant screening, freeing up your time while ensuring steady income from rental properties. Investors have reported significant gains by utilizing AI-driven insights to make informed decisions and manage their portfolios efficiently. E-commerce and dropshipping businesses can significantly benefit from AI. Tools like Shopify, BigCommerce, and WooCommerce integrate AI to optimize product listings, manage inventory, and personalize marketing efforts. AI-driven chatbots handle customer service inquiries, ensuring 24/7 support without your direct involvement. Moreover, AI-powered recommendation engines enhance customer experience, leading to higher sales and repeat business. Entrepreneurs have scaled their e-commerce operations effortlessly, achieving remarkable success with minimal hands-on management. In the realm of content creation, AI tools like Jasper, Copy AI, and WriteSonic generate high-quality articles, blog posts, and social media content. These AI writers can produce engaging and SEO-optimized content at scale, driving traffic to your website or blog. By monetizing your site through ads, affiliate marketing, or sponsored content, you can generate substantial passive income. Many content creators have expanded their reach and increased their earnings by leveraging AI to maintain a steady flow of fresh, relevant content. If you are new on channel, subscribe the channel to get similar videos that helps you make money. Stock photography and digital art are other areas where AI can generate passive income. Platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock use AI to enhance image quality, categorize photos, and recommend trending subjects. AI art generators like DeepArt and ArtBreeder create unique digital artwork that can be sold on platforms like Etsy or Redbubble. Artists and photographers have turned their creativity into a lucrative side hustle, with AI helping to streamline the production and distribution processes. AI-powered affiliate marketing is another profitable venture. Tools like Volume and Effies utilize AI to track and optimize affiliate campaigns, ensuring maximum ROI. AI analyzes user behavior and preferences to deliver targeted ads, increasing the chances of conversion. By setting up automated affiliate marketing campaigns, you can earn commissions from sales generated through your referral links without constant oversight. Marketers have achieved impressive earnings by leveraging AI to fine-tune their strategies and reach a broader audience. In the world of subscription services, AI can personalize and automate the user experience. Platforms like Netflix and Spotify use AI to recommend content based on user preferences, increasing engagement and retention. Similarly, AI can be used in subscription box services to curate personalized selections for subscribers, enhancing their satisfaction and loyalty. Business owners have reported substantial growth in their subscriber base and recurring revenue by implementing AI-driven personalization. Lastly, consider AI-driven investments and startups. Platforms like AngelList and Seedinvest use AI to identify promising startups and assess investment risks. AI analyzes market trends, financial health, and growth potential, providing valuable insights for investors. By diversifying your portfolio with AI-recommended startup investments, you can achieve significant returns without the need for extensive research and due diligence. Leveraging AI across various sectors can unlock massive financial opportunities, allowing you to generate income while you sleep. From automated trading and real estate investing to e-commerce, content creation, and beyond, AI's capabilities can revolutionize your approach to earning and managing money. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notifications about the new videos.